Hello, welcome back to Body Tech, the continuation of our class that we started a long time ago. So this is the building we are working on. So we're going to continue from it. And basically today what we'll be doing is our landscaping. And we have basically, let me see, I can teach you basically two types of landscaping. The first one I'll be showing today, and then the other one that I'll be showing in another video. So for the sake of this video, I want to teach you the basic and the elementary landscaping. Yes, landscaping is a flat. I'll just take a flat land, assuming we have a relatively flat land. We're going to use our own landscaping there. So on the other video, it will be more technical and more advanced. That's when the topography of the land is not relatively flat, it's more of hills and valleys. So you have to blend the building together with what, with the landscaping. So I want to bring that one in another video, but this one is just the basic of landscaping, how you can be able to have your landscaping, then other things here. So support me by clicking on what, the notification bell, so that you can get more updates. Watch this video to the end. If you are not watching this video to the end, you are not doing good to me. Please and please, watching this video to the end, it will really show YouTube algorithm that something good is happening and people are enjoying and liking the video, so they will push out to more audience. People will come and be part of it. So but if you are doing halfway, the algorithm will think the video is no good. Stand back. So please and please allow it to run completely before you can watch it and watch it again and watch it again. And this is what YouTube really wants. So thank you very much. Let's dive into the class for today. Okay, landscaping. What I'll be using for the landscape, I'll be using floor to use for the landscaping, and then I'll give it different materials so that it will depict my element or the element I'm using. Okay, this is our structure. Okay, let's go to the floor plan. Let's assume from this bit line. Okay, let's just customize it since we don't have a line here. But let's assume the line is not that too big, it's not that too small. So you can click on floor. Yes, you can click on floor. You can set up the floor first and click on edit. Now go to what? Go to duplicate, and let's start with what? Interlock. Let's name this interlock. Okay, go to edit. Interlock. Let's leave it at 100 millimeter or 10 cm. Let's click by material. We have material design created by Revit. Sorry, something is working here. Yes, let's go back. Okay, let's click on create new material. Hello, something is happening here. Okay, it has work. Then you right click. Wow. Sorry for the delay. I don't know what's happening. Something is okay. Let me just go back. Fresh again. Let me just go back. I'll start all over again. Okay, I said the first thing to do is we're going to use floor to generate or to create my interlock and my grass. You first click on duplicate, then you name it as interlock. Okay, then you move to what? Edit. The thickness should be 100 millimeters or 10 cm, you click in material, click, you go to new material, you right click, you rename interlock. Just normal way of editing. Let's go back to the next icon by the right, access browser, you come to appearance, you come to side and work, you double click on it. So we are having different grasses, different paves, slabs, we're having different things here. So but what are we going to use? Do we have interlocks here? We have interlocks. Okay. This one's our interlocks, concrete work with different materials, paves. Yes, so which one are we going to use? Let's use. So what is the interlocks I'm seeing here? As far as bleaching, this one should be interlock. Okay. Yeah, this one is an interlock. Let's see it. The interlock is a colored interlock. Yeah. So we can use it, apply use it. For instance, now we can use it. So how I usually do my this thing, I'll just grid line completely. Just use line, just map out the entire land. Just map out the entire land, for instance, now. Completely. Let's just assume that here is the entire. You can sketch it. You can do whatever you want to do it. So let's just assume here is the entire land. So here is the parking area. Let me do this one. Assume here is the parking area. Here's the entrance here, and then we have this particular environment. So I can click on it. Okay. So I will give it to, or make it, or I'll take it to ground level. Are you seeing? So this is our interlocks again here. So from here now, let's still go back again and then click on floor again. You can click on floor, come to edit type, and then you can name it as grass. You can click on OK, then go back again. You can leave the grass as 100, you can leave it as, let's just leave it as 80. You click the interlock here. So the same procedure, create new material, rename it, make it grass, come to access browser, under appearance, go back to your site work again, and then we're having green. Let's just use this dark green here and press OK. Yes, so I'm done with it now. So I can come here and design. I can come here and design. Come here and design my landscaping where I want the landscaping to be. Okay, let me assume this entrance I'm having from here. Let me assume directly from here to here, that should be let's assume here this particular 2 bricks should be our what, our door, where our door will be. That's sorry, our gate, where our gate will be. I can start here. That's, we're having some green area at the front of the house. Okay, so here maybe say inside the house we have like 1 meter, have like 1 meter this thing, 1 meter landscaping. So, and then maybe within at the back here, yes, we are having some landscaping. Let's assume landscaping has come to this particular point here. Let's assume this is how the landscaping is. Here, completely a grass. And in particular here is the slab here. So you can decide to make this one 2. Just leave the walkway small of 1.2. Yes, something like this. So make sure everything should be in closed loop. That's one thing with this particular method that I'm using here. So you can delete this line. Just make sure everything is what, in closed loop, single closed loop. Yes, something like this. So this one is a closed loop, this one is another closed loop, this one is another closed loop. So you can decide to create single. Okay, and just have something here like this. Assuming here is our root, and at the other side of the root we are also having grass. Okay, so our fence will be around this axis like this. Our fence will be like this, like this, like this, and then we're having what, access route here. So we can click on finish. So if we check it now, go to 3D now, this is what you see. Everything is at flow level. Stand at flow level. You see it. You have to bring it what, back to ground level. But at the ground level, it should be above. If you want it to be above or lower than the interlocks, anyone you want it, you can decide. If you want it above, decide it by 50. I usually leave my own at 50. Yes, so leave it as 50. This is what we have now. So this is our what, our landscaping. So now let's just do small work. Let's put fence. Let's create wall now. Let's click on wall. Let's go and select any wall here. Any wall. Is it partition wall, retaining wall, concrete? Okay. So this is our entrance now. You can just click it. So now if we click it here and click it here and click it here, also click this one. So let's make it at ground level, and then the head height will be at lintel level. So now if you have gate, you can come and place gate. You have gate on inside Revit. If you don't have gate, you can decide to leave it open. You may just want to do it. This one is your own decision here. So you see, we are having what? We are having fence here. So this is our route. So even this our route, we have to customize it. We have to go back to the flow again. You understand? So go on our walls here. Make it like this. Let's come finish it. Press OK. For this particular one, you have to edit it to different duplicate route, and then edit it. You want to leave it at 80. Yes, you want to leave it at 100 and make it 100. You can go